Cloning row or column vectors. Sometimes it is useful to clone a row or column vector to a matrix. By cloning I mean converting a row vector such as into a matrix, or a column vector such as into. In MATLAB or Octave this is done pretty easily. I want to repeat this in numpy, but unsuccessfully. Why wasn't the first method, in 16, working? Is there a way to achieve this task in Python in a more elegant way?
Here's an elegant, Pythonic way to do it. The problem with 16 seems to be that the transpose has no effect for an array. You're probably wanting a matrix instead.
Use numpy.tile. Or for repeating columns.
First note that with numpy's broadcasting operations it's usually not necessary to duplicate rows and columns. See this and this for descriptions. But to do this, repeat and new access are probably the best way. This example is for a row vector, but applying this to a column vector is hopefully obvious. Repeat seems to spell this well, but you can also do it via multiplication as in your example.
Let zero-cost allocations. A view does not take any additional memory. Thus, these declarations are instantaneous. Forced allocation. If you force the contents to reside in memory. All three methods are roughly the same speed. Computation. All three methods are roughly the same speed. Conclusion. If you want to replicate before a computation, consider using one of the zero-cost allocation methods. You won't suffer the performance penalty of forced allocation.